Yeah, what's up, guys? Magic Guitar is back with another episode of Lesson. Yeah, what's up, guys? So, for today, I just want to do some breakdowns, okay, on a previous video that I make concerning the Makossa and press licks I just played on my previous video. You know, many of you have been asking me to do the breakdown of the video, so I just want to make the breakdown of the video for you guys, okay, to see how you can apply some licks on your press section, okay, in church. So without wasting much of your time, I would like us to go straight to the video, okay. But if you know that this is your first time watching my video, I'd like you to hit on the subscribe button, okay, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out anytime I upload a new video like this, okay. So if you have any challenge, you can drop it on the comment section, okay. If you like this video, you can smash the like button, okay. I really appreciate that. So I would like you to listen to the video how I improvise on this particular phrase I came across. They are very simple licks. You can just play there to bring more harmonies and improvisation to whatever you're playing. Okay, so I want you to listen to this song.
Can we praise God? You know, in the midst of all this news that we're hearing, inflation, energy crisis, how many of you know God of miracles is going to take care of us? How many of you know God of miracles? Are you ready? Let's go. Come on. Let's go. Listen to this.
What's up, guys? So like you can hear the video there, okay, they are just simple licks you can apply in your press section, okay. So the key of the song there was in the key of D sharp, okay, E flat, or you can call it D sharp, or you can call it E flat. This is on the second string, okay. This is on the second string, okay, on the second string, on the 4th fret. This is it on the 3rd string, the key of D sharp or E flat on the 3rd string. Okay, so the intro there was okay. It's very simple. It's very simple, and you can equally, play that as intro in your chord section or your razor section. Okay, you just practice over it. Okay, do, so, do, re, mi. Okay. need to learn how to slide your notes, okay? You need to learn how to slide your notes. Okay, because this is the scale on the key of E flat. Okay. So the first note is okay. Okay. Then the second part is do, so, do, re, mi. Okay. So what I'm playing there is from the mi, mo, re, di. Okay. Mi, mo, re, di. Mi, mo, re, di. Mi, mo, re, di. Okay. Then you play again. Okay. I played some chord there, okay. I played some chord there in the next intro. So the first chord was was me, and I played diminished 7. Okay, played diminished 7. I played la. Okay, I played a la chord. And I play a D. Okay, D. This is do, D. I play re. Okay, I played re, and I play so, then do. Okay, so the first chord is mi, D, la. So the first chord is mi, D, la, D, re, so. So in musical terms, that is the third chord. Okay, third chord going to the flat 2. Okay, the flat 2 chord, the diminished chord, go to the, or you can call it the E diminished. The E diminished, go to the that is a C. You go to the C minor. Okay, from the C minor, you go to the C major 7, okay? To your F minor, okay? F minor to your B flat, okay? To your B flat and to your 1 chord, to your D major. Miracle, so what I'm playing is okay, okay. Do. Okay, it's very simple. So what I played there was do 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 re mi so mi re do la, do 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 re mi so mi re do la. So you gotta do a kind of sliding and then a pullover. Okay, from your sliding to your pullover. Okay. Okay, so I believe that is interesting. That sounds interesting. So the first one is okay. Do 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 ma mi re. Okay, re la re la. going to your saw chord now. Do. So when I play something, the next progression there was. Okay, really so me, la la la. Okay. Okay, it's very simple. Those are licks you can apply when you are playing progressions like that. Okay, when you are going from your 1 to 5 to 1 to from your 1 to 4 and your 1 to 5. Okay, those are the licks you can apply. So what I play okay, mi, va, la, va, do, do, ti, la, do, va, va, la, la, va, re, okay. Okay, those three licks sounds more better when you are, and you can, so I believe with this lick you can be able to, improvise very well when you are on such progressions like that, because the song is so do. Okay, from the 1, 4, 5, 1. Okay, so it's very simple. I believe with this you can be able to, improvise very well when you on progressions like that. Okay, and when you encounter such songs like that, okay, you should be able to apply very well. So I believe this video is going to help you one way or the other. So if it's more beneficial to you, okay, or interesting to you, you can smash the like button. Okay, if you have any challenges toward the video, you can drop it on the comment section. Okay, I will really appreciate that, guys. All right, thanks for watching. See you next in the next video.